Today I'm going to teach you how to boost your hand function using everyday objects I found in my junk drawer, rubber bands. These exercises are meant for people in the final stage of hand recovery, so whether you have had a stroke, have another neurological condition, or are recovering from surgery, these exercises are meant for you. The best thing about using everyday objects for hand exercises is that it makes therapy possible wherever you go, like at home, in the car, or waiting at a doctor's office. Before we get started, don't forget to click the like button, leave us comments, or share the video. Also, if you don't want to miss any of the videos that we're releasing, please click the subscription button or click the logo at any time. Let's get started. One of the first exercises I think about when I get a rubber band is extending my fingers. I wrap it around the tips of each one of my fingers and then open my hand. Close it. Open my hand. If you want to work individual fingers, you might have to double it up if your rubber band's too small. Open and close. And it doesn't have to be just the index finger. You could do it on your middle finger, or your ring finger, or your pinky finger. Or if doubling up is too tough, find yourself a smaller rubber band. It's a nice skinny one, but it's small. A lot easier. Another exercise you can do is working on flexing and extending your fingers. So, here's one suggestion. Put it on a finger, twist it, hold it to give it some tension off the table, and then push down. Now we're working on flexion. Or, if you want to work on more flexion of the finger, now I'm working on curling my whole hand. You could also do it with all four fingers if you'd really like. You can also do it in reverse to extend your finger. Another thing you need to work on your hands is being able to spread your fingers apart. So for this, I thought, all right, what if I take the rubber band and I twist it in between each one of my fingers? So it's woven in my hand. I open and close. Open and close. Another thing you need to do is focus on your thumb. Your thumb moves away from your palm so that you can do opposition, but also away from your index finger. So you can shake hands, give a thumbs up, etc. So we need to work the thumb in both directions. This one is palmar abduction. I'm going to put the rubber band on, give it a twist to secure it in place, and then pull my thumb away. And you can do the same thing, give it a twist, put your thumb out, and now pull it into your hand. Or, you've already twisted it, hold it down on the ground, lift your thumb up. Now we're doing radial abduction. Or, hold it in the air and pull your thumb in. Now we're doing radial adduction. Thanks for joining me in learning how to use everyday items to boost your hand recovery with the exercises that I just showed you. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, leave us comments, or share the video with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't want to miss any of the videos that we're releasing. We hope that you are well on your way to recovery, and we're going to keep making resources to help you on your journey. Because with Saebo, there is no plateau in sight.